Does modifying your car increase its value? This is my 2017 Subaru STI that I've owned for over 4 years now with still under 30,000 miles. Now, as you guys know, if you guys have followed along, my car now makes 1,100 wheel horsepower. And little to say, this was not cheap. Now, if you were to take your Subaru and want 1,000 horsepower, if you took it to my boy Josh Bader, it would start at $75,000 without the cost of the car. So this setup, this car is a $100,000 car, but today we're gonna be going to CarMax to see what this thing is worth. Probably cleared the check engine light before going. There's nothing crazy at all. I just forgot to clear it. So I'm sure that's gonna bring the appraisal down. I wonder if they're gonna scan it to see like any like problems.
Oh, they're 100% scanned.
You think so?
Scan my truck if I try to turn it.
I'm really curious. I've never went into a dealership to get any appraisal done. I'm not quite sure how this process is gonna go. Even if I don't even know if they'll appraise this car because it's so heavily modified. But I'm hoping some young gun like knows the car. I think I am. I'll be like, it just has an exhaust. Dude, this is actually terrifying. I know my car, man. I know my car. Well, we made it just like I thought we would with 0 miles of range left. Watch there be no E left.
Yeah, there's no gas left.
Dude.
Bro, that's going slow.
I hope I don't shank me. What's that? Oh no, I can't do that here. Yep. The turbo sounds so good. So good. But one of the downsides with this like big turbo is it's hard to like find room on the street to do like a hit because you have to really commit. But the turbo sounds so good. You get so much enjoyment just driving this car, just listening to it.
Every time you get that turbo going, you're oh shit!
Well, backfire.
Might have to go around the front. Oh wait. Never mind. You're right.
Sales, service, carriers. Hey, good. How are you doing?
Welcome to CarMax. How can we help you?
I was wondering if I could get someone to appraise a vehicle of mine.
Yeah, definitely. 2-person wait list, so probably be about a half hour till I get somebody available to do that.
That's fine. What's the, just hang around until then?
What I can do is get you checked in. What was the first name?
Remy.
R-E-M-M-Y.
M-M-Y.
And last name?
Evans, E-V-A-N-S.
And what's the best phone number for you?
509.
Perfect. And what's the car you're looking to get appraised?
2017 Subaru STI, WRX STI, whatever's in your system.
Perfect. Why are you looking to sell it?
I heavily modify cars, so I've always been curious to see what it's worth after modifying. Okay. So I'm just curious to see what number gets thrown out there.
Perfect. I have you checked in. If you want, we do have got nice comfy seats over there. You are free to kind of peruse the lot as well.
Awesome, yeah,
we'll either come find you or we'll give you a call.
Yeah,
once
awesome, perfect, thank you, I appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Good, how are you doing?
Good, I've got Keith that'll be able to get that appraisal started. How's it going? So,
awesome.
If you wanted to go on the drive with them.
I was going to ask if I could go with you. If not, that's fine.
But yeah,
I won't be the one to do the appraisal. I just
you do all that. Fair enough.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you. What was your name?
Keith.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. This thing's beautiful, man.
Thank you.
Tell me about it.
2017 STI, 29,000 miles, and it's built. I could pop here. I'll pop the. Yeah, this thing makes 1,100 horsepower to the wheels.
How long have you been working on it?
It's gone through many phases. So the past like 3 years, I've changed stuff. But I've owned this car for 4.5 years now.
Okay.
But yeah, I've always been curious to like see what people always say, like mods don't add value.
Yeah.
I'm always curious to see what like CarMax would offer for this thing if they even would appraise it.
So we'll definitely appraise it.
Okay.
Just to be transparent with you.
Oh, it's gonna be nothing.
Yeah,
it's gonna be. Yeah.
We don't take fancy to aftermarket.
Yep.
As awesome as it is, as beautiful
Yeah.
as they are. If you want to head inside,
Yeah.
I just got to get some personal information from you, your
Awesome.
name and stuff. So beautiful.
Probably need the key at some point too.
Yeah, thank you. You said it was a 2017?
2017, yeah. How long have you worked here?
I started in January.
Okay. You like it
not
so
too
far?
long. Oh, I love it.
That's all. Everyone I know that's worked here, they've loved it.
Really?
Yeah. What's your guess? What do you think they're gonna put the amount at?
I'm not the one to ask. I have.
Oh, I'm just curious
right
what
now,
you're. Clean title.
You said 20,000?
29,000 miles. Yeah.
It's gonna be very embarrassing when it comes forward. But I'm gonna say 18 to 22.
That's my
That's
range
exactly
too.
what
That's
I
exactly
said.
what I
I said
think.
20 to 22.
I said 20. Yeah.
Winded, I'm gonna ask what aftermarket parts you've done with it.
There's got to be an easy way to generalize it, right? Because
Um,
there's hundreds. You know what I mean?
So if you could just kind of the general basis of like what you've done.
Okay. Built motor. Upgraded fuel system.
What's that?
Huge turbo.
Massive.
That's kind of really the gist of it. I mean,
Okay.
built motor, fuel system.
Say the built motor kind of,
Yeah,
Incorporates a lot of it.
Yeah, exactly.
and then do you know if the odometer has ever been broken or replaced?
No.
Any accidents or water damage?
No.
Any disclosures on the title?
What does that mean?
Like hail damage, fire
No,
damage,
no.
repossession?
I hope not.
I'm sure it might be.
Okay. If you wanted to drive it, you can. It'd be funny.
Yeah, I'm sure it'd be hilarious.
I mean, you don't want to brag, or, you know. I guess, is it a liability thing?
I mean,
You just don't care to?
decide to sell it to us, we'll drive it.
Fair enough.
But
Okay.
it's like,
Just-
I don't think we'll drive it.
Okay.
I will tell you right now, I don't get that excited about cars.
Okay, fair enough.
But that also helps me be good at my job.
Yeah, no,
I don't
absolutely.
like this kind of stuff. I don't get too excited about
Okay.
turbos and that kind of
Fair enough, I guess.
Hood's replaced, huh?
Yeah, carbon hood.
That's tough.
Really? Is that bad?
It looks like your rocker panel is aftermarket too, right?
What? No.
This piece right here. Is it just
Nope.
repainted?
That's
or
factory.
Is this just from heat, you think?
Yep. It's heat damage.
Gotcha.
I forgot about that, to be honest.
Yup.
Are you the only owner on this one?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll catch up with you here, babe.
All right, sounds good.
Check that out.
Appreciate
It's your buddy.
it. What's he doing? Are you trying to get an appraisal done too?
Yeah, do they want to buy another race car?
This is a buy one get one special here today. Dude, the turbo sounds a lot louder.
Can you hear it?
It's insane.
Yeah, I was just heading to dinner, so
Wanted to stop
I
by.
was just like, oh, if he's here, yeah.
Dude, that looks really good.
It came out pretty nice.
Yeah, dude, that looks really good.
It's funny.
I was happy with that. So,
Organize this car anywhere, dude.
Oh, that's awesome.
I've been watching you forever. Carson's a big fan. Yeah.
What's your name, Carson?
Carson, yeah.
Nice to
I
meet
used
you.
to go driving with Devin a lot with my brother.
Oh, really?
Just got my STF finally.
Is that which one? The white one? Or Later, they're giving me a number. I just don't know what it is yet.
Let me know what it is.
Yeah.
I didn't know you were popular.
What's that?
I didn't know you were popular.
On here? Yeah. It's the Precision's Next Gen 8085. So it's an 80 mil front, 85 mil rear. It's a ginormous turbo for this car.
I mean, I'll drive it if you really want me to.
I mean, I don't want to pressure
I just
you.
don't think I appreciate
No one has ever driven this car besides me and my tuner.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why I thought it was hilarious. I was taking it here. I was like, wow, someone else will drive this car. So I mean, if you want to, you are
We
more
will
than
if you
welcome.
decide to sell it. I just
Okay.
don't, I don't
Yeah,
think we need
absolutely.
to. Just close it normally.
Yeah, just yep.
I don't want to break it.
No, you're good.
All right, CarMax would like to offer you.
Oh, that's honestly
$2,000.
okay. Okay, after like the no cats and stuff, I thought it was gonna be a lot lower. 18 grand. But you guys would just send this to auction, right? In theory, that I sold it.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Deal, let's do it. Quick
Let
cash.
me get you
That's
that,
what. Yeah, that's awesome.
document. It's good for 7 days.
Okay, awesome, perfect.
Do you guys need any waters or anything?
No,
I think I'm good. Thank you so much, Keith.
That's how much the turbo kit cost.
18K, boy.
Okay, well my guess, I'll show you guys the envelope. My guess was 20,000. So, not taking into account for like the cats and stuff like that, that's not too bad.
Let me see the paper better.
$82,000 loss in 4 years of ownership.
Smart investment?
It's a write-off.
Smart investment.
It's a write-off. Where do you want it?
Just kind of like in the middle. I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely, dude. You have a good rest of your
Have a
evening
good one,
here.
Carson. Alec. Yes, sir. I'll see you around.
We answered our question. Modifying your car does not increase the value, at least in CarMax's eyes. Huge shout out to Keith and everyone here. They were super like willing to let me film and stuff. Very awesome people. Super quick process. Simple process. I mean, we've been here for
An hour.
over an hour.
Oh, easily.
Yeah, we've been here for a while, but super easy process. 18 grand is how much they value my STI, which is crazy. But yeah, that answers our question. Modifying your car will not increase its value.
18 grand, but would never hit the front lot.
Yeah, and they asked, oh, you guys saw this too, I believe. Yeah, so for modified cars, they send to auction. Just, I mean, it makes sense. Their demographic isn't tuner kids like us that are pulling up to a CarMax buying a modified car, but yeah, I've always wanted to make this video.
Now you're gonna make it for all your cars.
Yeah, I know, this is gonna be a thing now. So when the Honda's done, all-wheel drive, crazy, and it's gonna look gorgeous. Like, it looks a lot better than this car does.
And then
when my new car, you guys still don't know yet, you guys will know very, very soon.
Just say it, just bleep it out.
When we get that rebuilt and finished up, we'll take that car here to see the value. It'll be significantly more than this, even rebuilt. But yeah, we're gonna make a whole series out of this because it's kind of fun to see how much money I've lost.